Hi there, Janet Fritz here for Galaxy Girl Creations. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a quick, or maybe not so quick, unboxing of the June embellishment box from Some Assemblage Required. I just got this. I haven't opened it. I will say that I did see MK do her shop reveal earlier on Monday, and it was amazing. There's so much stuff, you guys. She has so much new stuff in the shop. It is absolutely insane what she has come out with for June. So I'm going to just say, leave it there and go and check it out. She also has brought back a bunch of designs from her Etsy shop in the new thinner wood. So if you saw something in her Etsy shop, but you thought the wood was so a little bit on the thick side for your album, I would go check it out now, because she's got it in 1/16 of an inch, which is very thin and won't add a ton of dimension to your layouts. So go and check out her shop. It's amazing. It's someassemblagerequired.com. And this is how I get the June box. It's super cute, all wrapped up with a cute little baker's twine. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up and see what we've got. I'm super excited about this. Oh my goodness, look at how cute these are, you guys. Ooh, this one's really cool and very unique. I like that little, I don't know what it's called, but it's a truck with like a digger bucket on it. Super cute. I think these still have the hang on. I think they still have the masking on them. So I think this wood is actually like a red oak. Tweezers, where are my tweezers? I can't peel with my fingernails like she does. Well, I guess I can. These ones are easier to peel, but I don't like to peel with my fingernails because it makes my fingernails kind of jacked up. Although I will say these ones are coming off easier, and that could be because of the wood. But normally I just take my tweezers and I just barely pierce it to get it started, and it pops off. It's like, it comes off like super easy with the tweezers, as you can see. Not having any trouble with that. Yep, I'm liking it. So that is the red oak. You can see the difference between the masked area and the non-masked area. And even these little lines will have a little bit of a masking on them, so you got to pull all that off. It also works if you have some duct tape. You can burnish it on there a little bit with your finger and then pull it off that way. But these are super cute, super thin, like I said, super thin, and they are adhesive backed, so you don't even have to put adhesive. Yay! So I'm loving that. These are going to be great for my little guy's book, the little guy that I take care of. He's getting to that age where he's liking cars, and I actually have some photos of us watching construction equipment at a park nearby. So I think that's really cool. That's going to be exciting. Some tools. Ooh, look at that. There's even like, I don't know if you can see that. That's just a little tiny, like a clothespin, a hammer, some pliers of some sort. I got two different hammers there in different sizes, a tiny chainsaw, a crescent wrench, a screwdriver. I don't even know what all's in here. A saw. So like two different kinds of saws. A tape measure. Those are really cute. Those are so fun to hang on your layouts as well. This is really cute. Danger Active Construction Site. And these are acrylic. These are super thin also. So we've got the three pieces here look to be about 1/16 of an inch. Is that right? Maybe they're even thinner. I'm curious. No, I'm going to say they're about 1/16 of an inch, and then these are probably 1/8 of an inch because they are a little bit thicker, the construction cones. Those are super cute. I love this under construction with the cones. I've got lots of things I can use that for. Not as much for this portion, but these definitely. I mean, I do have stuff I can use that for, but not as much that I can think of off the top of my head. This All-in Create stencil, I think that's stunning. I love that it's little tiny stars. I don't know if you can see that on screen. It looks like dots. Those are actually tiny stars. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have so much fun playing with that. this awesome piece from Dusty Attic. It is called Barcodes, and you get 5 barcodes. Some have numbers on them. This one doesn't have any numbers. It's just got a star. If you're not a big fan of the star, you can put something over it, like a piece of flair or something like that. This one has numbers and stars. This one's got a little crown. If you're not into the crown, you can always clip it off. It's just chipboard. It's easy to cut. I just think those are so cool. So fun for a masculine grungy layout, or even a feminine layout. These would actually be kind of really fun for like a shopping spree type of layout. Make it kind of more feminine. And then we've got the Gardenia, Spectrum Gardenia film strip frames from 49 in Market, and you get a ton. And these are super usable because they are all very neutral colored, black and gray. Can't go wrong with that. Not going to conflict with pretty much anything on your layout. So that is it for the June box, you guys. I will put a link down below so you can go and check it out if that's something of interest to you. But yeah, lots of construction-y kind of awesome goodness in there for documenting all of that kind of good stuff. Now she's got other stuff in the shop that kind of goes with this that you can buy one off. You don't have to like, it's not in another bundle, but there's definitely more construction and fix it kind of things in the shop, so go and check that out also. But she has a bunch of other things that she came out with for this release that are not construction related. That is super exciting, outdoorsy stuff, some awesome leaves and greenery type of things, sprigs, a lot of wood veneer. Awesome stuff, you guys. I know, I don't know how many times I can say awesome at one time in one video, but I'm super excited to use this. Also, if you are someone who thinks the flare is a bit on the thick side, which sometimes I think it is, but I like to run it through my, sorry, my fingernails are jacked up, you guys. I like to run it through my die cut machine, my Big Shot, and it flattens it out. And this canvas flare flattens beautifully. And then it's not nearly as thick, and it looks great. So that's my little tip for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will be back again real soon with another video. Bye-bye.